Hi, welcome back. Today we're going to evaluate this expression. And to do that, we're going to utilise this rule. If we have a number raised to the power a, and we multiply that by the same number raised to the power b, then we get that same number raised to those two powers added together. Now we're going to use this rule in reverse in order to split these two terms. So this becomes 3 to the power of x times 3 to the power of 2. And this becomes 3 to the power of 1 times 3 to the power of minus x. And this still all equals 28. Next, in order to get rid of this term, I'm going to multiply throughout by 3 to the power of x. So we now have 3 to the power of x all squared over here times 3 squared. This becomes 3, and this becomes 3 to the minus x multiplied by 3 to the x. And finally, this becomes 28 times 3 to the power of x. Now let's do some sorting out. 3 squared is 9, so we have 9 times 3x all squared. Here we have 3 times 3 to the power of, well, we've got minus x and plus x. They add to 0. And this all equals 28, 3 to the x. Now let's take this over to the left-hand side. So 9 lots of 3x all squared minus, I'm just going to change the order here and put in the 28 lots of 3x, and then finally plus 3. 3 to the 0 is 1, 1 times 3 is 3, equals 0. We're now in a position to factorise this. So we need two numbers that are going to multiply to give us 3. So I'm going to use 3 and 1. And as we've got a negative sign here, I'm going to make both of these negative. Now we need to get to 28. Well, we know that 9 times 3 is 27. So if I put 9 lots of 3x here, and 1 lot of 3x here, that should do it. So let's quickly check that. 9 times 3 to the x times 3 to the x is 9 3 to the x squared. We've then got 9 times 3, which is 27, and 1 times 1, which is 1. So altogether we've got minus 28 times 3 to the power of x, which is correct, and plus 3. So that works. We can now say that either 9 lots of 3 to the x minus 1 equals 0, or 3x minus 3 equals 0. Rearranging, we get that 9 lots of 3x must equal 1, or 3x must equal 3. And this becomes 3 to the x equals 1/9, dividing both sides by 9. So, can we now work out what x is? Let's do this one first. 3 raised to what power gives you 3? The answer is 1. So x equals 1. This one's a bit harder. 3 to what power gives you 1/9? Well, this is a harder problem. So first of all, let's invert the 1/9. If we do that, we get 3 to the power of x equals 9. Now, 3 to what power gives you 9? Well, the answer is 2. So x equals 2. But what about this inversion we did of the 1/9? Well, that simply means that this is a negative. -2. So these are the two answers. X equals -2 or x equals 1. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped. Please check out my channel where there's a lot more content like this. Don't forget to leave a comment and let me know if there's anything else you'd like me to cover. Also, don't forget to subscribe and like. See you in the next one. Pi squared.